No matter how much money you can make from your 9-to-5 job, it never hurts to have a passive income that keeps you afloat. With the ever-increasing opportunities to create passive income, it's time to take matters into our own hands and get hustling. Let's explore 10 ways to make a passive income in 2022. Refinance your mortgage. This may sound strange in this setting, but refinancing your mortgage can be a great way to free up a lot of income and save you $100,000 over the life of your loan. That's a pretty good gain if you ask us. Interest rates are still near historic lows right now, and if you haven't checked out your mortgage lately, now's a great time to shop around and compare rates. If you can save 0.50% or more on your loan, you're potentially adding tens of thousands of dollars back into your pocket. Not many investments can beat that. Consider looking into the details of your assets and finding an opportunity to save up as much as possible through this nifty yet legit idea. Get paid to have an app on your phone. Who wouldn't want to live a simple life playing games on their phone? Now, what if we told you you could install an app on your phone, play games all day, and get paid for it? Unfortunately, this does make your phone data available for your employer to see, but if you don't want to do anything out of the norm, check out apps that run in the background, allowing you to use your phone as you see fit, without becoming a bother. Sometimes these apps also allow users to enter to win rewards. It's a simple, easy way to get money for nothing. Apps like Nielsen Digital for Android and Mobile Expression for iOS allow you to earn rewards for installing them, and leaving them on your device for at least 90 days. And boom! You get paid. If you're feeling unsure, the app developers also periodically send out $2 gift cards for their users to maintain good relations. Create a blog or YouTube channel. With the rise of social media and AdSense, blogging has become a popular means of generating income. Influencers who previously operated on other platforms have taken to YouTube to amass incredible following and earn great revenue. Just take a look at Zoe Sugg, a simple girl who would post makeup videos filmed from her bathroom mirror in early 2009, and has now become not only one of the most famous YouTubers in the world, going by the name of Zoella. She has also established multiple business ventures and has gained a following of over 11 million subscribers on YouTube. What we're saying is, take your passion for a subject and turn it into a blog or a YouTube channel, using ads or sponsors to generate your income. Find a popular subject, even a small niche, and become an expert on it. At first you'll have to build out a suite of content and draw an audience, but it can create a steady income stream over time, as you become known for your engaging content. Sell an ebook online. Gone are the days where writers had to submit drafts upon drafts of documents to qualify for getting their books published by a company that would just keep a significant portion of their earnings. Self-publishing has become mainstream in the world today, with the total number of print and e-books that were self-published in 2018 amounting to 1.68 million. When you purchase an ebook off of Amazon, it's very likely that you're buying a self-published book. Not only is this process ridiculously easy, it allows you to gain a lot more exposure for your work if you have patience on your side. To self-publish a book, simply write and edit it, create a cover, and then upload to a program such as Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing. There's no guarantee of instant fame, but fortune favors the bold. Rent out your home short-term. It's just like in the movies. This straightforward strategy takes advantage of space that you're not using and turns it into a money-making opportunity. If you're going away for the summer or have to be out of town for a while, or maybe even just want to travel, consider renting out your current space while you're gone. If the idea sounds bifking, we've got news for you. Over 1.6 million Americans rent out their homes every year, and landlords have an average income of $97,000. Doesn't that sound great? Just put up your property for rent on any trusted website, and you're good to go. This will make earning an income so much easier for your minimal efforts with minimal extra work, especially if you're renting to a tenant who may be in place for a few months. It's a surefire guaranteed way to earn money with ease, provided your tenants aren't into risky business. Selling stock photos. Are you an aspiring photographer, or just have tons of photos lying around as the result of an unrealized hobby? Well, now's the time to put those to good use and make great money out of them. If you've ever wondered where your favorite websites, blogs, and even magazines get those amazing photographs from, look no further. These are normally bought from stock photo websites, and if you've a penchant for such a hobby, you can submit your photos to stock photo sites and receive a commission every time someone purchases one of them. You can earn anywhere from 25 cents to a whole dollar per photo if you're a seasoned seller. One of the biggest marketplaces to sell stock photos is Deposit Photos. You can upload your photos or earn money whenever someone uses them. So sit back and let the cash roll in. Design t-shirts. Gone are the days when art students were chastised for their degree. If you've been working your way up the rungs of society with your degree in art or design, now's the time to benefit from it and earn your keep. There's been an ongoing trend of customized t-shirts in the market lately, and sites like Cafe Press allow users to custom design items. If your design becomes popular and makes sales, you'll be able to earn royalties. The royalty rate is about 10% to 25% profit margin based on the industry, and differs according to the varying levels of creative work. Even Amazon has gotten into this business. If you're skeptical about whether you're suited for this, you can check out countless examples of small, unknown indie artists and graphic designers who have gained a cult following with their designs, most notably Risky and W, a graphic designer and illustrator who gained immense traction and commission for their ingenious art and professionalism. Affiliate marketing. This is the digital age, and website owners, social media influencers or bloggers have gained an insane amount of traction by promoting a third party's product, by including a link to the product on their site or social media account. There's a lot of great possible partners for this venture, with Amazon being the best known affiliate partner, and eBay, Awin and ShareSale also serving as credible names. Since Instagram and TikTok have become huge platforms for publicity, you could also consider growing an email list to draw attention to your blog or direct people to products and services that they might want. When a visitor clicks on the link and makes a purchase, the site owner earns a commission. The commission might range from 3 to 7%, so it will likely take significant traffic to your site to generate serious income. But if you can grow your following or have a more lucrative niche such as software, financial services or fitness, you may be able to earn way more than this amount. Advertise on your car. Have incredible driving skills but don't want to get swept up with weird customers by driving an Uber? You may be able to earn some extra money by simply driving your car around town, chilling on a road trip. Simply contact a specialized advertising agency, which will evaluate your driving habits, including where you drive and how many miles, and the agency will wrap your car with ads that won't cost you anything, but are sure to earn you quite a lot. Companies like Rapify and Sticker Ride are looking for newer cars, and drivers with a clean driving record, successfully meeting the requirements for which will allow you to earn approximately $500 a month. While you do have to get out and drive, if you're already putting in the mileage anyway, then this is a great way to earn hundreds per month at your own pace. Create an app. Calling all software developers. This is the time to put your skills to use. In a world where most of our time is dedicated to our phones, creating an app is the absolute gold idea that is bound to get you traction. Even if you have no degree or background in app development, as long as you own a smartphone or tablet then and have an amazing idea for an app, you could consider hiring a programmer to create your app for you. It's a surefire, secure way to earn income and has incredible payoff in the long run. Worldwide mobile app revenue in 2020 was accumulated to $111 billion, while mobile app developers in the US have an average salary of $90,000 per year. That's a wrap for ways to make a passive income in 2022. Which of these methods would you like to try out the most? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.